It's Margarita, and today we are taking it to the dark side with Musc Noir by Narciso Rodriguez. Now, Narciso is known for having some of the best takes on musk, as most of his perfumes were made by Francis Kirk John, the nose of noses in a lot of people's book. He's a wonderful nose in my book as well. But this Musc Noir was not formulated by him. But I still wanted to try it because I love musk. So let me see how it does on me. Gotta find a clean spot. While this is drying down, let me tell you what the notes are. Plum, musk, heliotrope, suede. Interesting. So it's pretty simple, or at least the profile that's available online is a pretty simple profile. The plum is definitely prominent. It's very bubbly. It's a bit mature though. It's really interesting. If you hear something in the background, the dogs are bickering. So my mic might be picking them up. They've been at it all day. Anywho. Not a fan. Oh my God. Narciso, what happened? Oh my goodness. Que pasó? It's already a skin scent. And I did a good spritz. So this performance, I can already tell, is not going to be good. I would say within the first hour, we're going to have to put it on again. It's also pretty mature. The plum is a beautiful plum. I just wish it projected more. I'm not getting any of the musk. Maybe a small amount of musk, but it's like almost a hairspray version of it, kind of like Prada Candy, that type of musk, somewhat aldehydic almost. It's not, ooh, I'm not a fan. The first set of musks that he had were really good. This one, not quite for me. So sad too, because I was really looking forward to having one of his in my collection because I don't have a Narciso fragrance right now. But let me know, does it work for you? Is there anything that can help this project more? I don't know if they have a lotion or anything for it, but this would definitely need some layering to get it to stick. Or does it stick to you? Or is it just my chemistry that it doesn't work for? Let's talk about it in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to our channel and we can talk more. But until next time, I am Margarita and you have an awesome day. Bye.